Hi everybody, we are in Florence today. I just arrived this morning from Hong Kong and we're at this lovely boutique hotel called Velona's Jungle. And Velona's grandfather was an antiques dealer and he has decked this place out to the max. I mean, it's an incredible taste level. I'm really, really glad we're here today. And actually, we're here for the week. Now, we are here because a buddy of ours named Salvatore Ambrosino has launched this new tour called the Aion Makers Retreat. And the idea of it is you come to Florence and you spend part of the day learning about Florence history, Florence culture, Florence's art scene, and then you spend the other part of the day hanging out with their craftsmen. Because Florence actually has a lot of interesting traditional craftsmen outside of just like the tailoring and shoemaking world. So for instance, we're seeing a goldsmith, we're seeing a stone marquetry expert, we're seeing some winemakers, and we've actually brought a few of our favorite clients from Hong Kong and New York with us to do this tour together. So I'm really excited. I mean, it's been a while since I've done something non-clothing related, and Florence is a beautiful city, especially off season. Like, there's way less tourists. It's much more peaceful. So I'm loving it. I'm hoping to have just a really kind of intellectually satisfying week, as well as getting to relax a little bit. I'm going to try and shoot a little bit of video every day, talk a little bit about what I'm wearing and maybe what I saw, and I hope you guys will follow along. Oh, and while we're at it, what am I wearing? So today I'm wearing the Orbium jacket that's new for this season. So this is in a kind of French workwear blue, a beautiful weight of cotton, really nice to travel with, like quite casual, but you can dress it up a little bit if you wanted to. The Isaac shirt, which is our American-made button-down shirt. Anderson's belt, a pair of our sport chinos in natural. These actually just came back into stock. So we've been waiting for a pair of natural sport chinos. They are now available again. Pair of the leisure hand sews by Alden. And Elliot's got a pair as well. And for my wrist check today, I got a Cartier Tank Louis Cartier. All right. So if you get a chance, check out the hotel's website, because really I'm so impressed. Salvatore found this place for us and it's beautiful, really, really beautiful. That's it for now, and thanks for watching.